step into a new realm of daily cleansing with a breakthrough designed for precision and performance. The Mise Micro Bubble Showerhead, engineered in Japan, delivers a spa-grade experience from the comfort of home. Unlike conventional showers, it generates microscopic bubbles that reach deep into pores, lifting away dirt and oil without the need for harsh scrubbing or excessive soap. The Lenovo Legion Go 8.8-inch 144Hz WQXGA handheld touchscreen gaming PC is a powerful device built to elevate gaming performance to new heights. Featuring the AMD Ryzen Z 1 Extreme processor, this portable powerhouse delivers top-tier performance, effortlessly handling demanding games and multitasking with ease. Equipped with 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD, it ensures fast load times and smooth gameplay while providing ample storage for your favorite games and applications. The Logitech Casa pop-up desk brings a fresh, flexible approach to home workspace design. Perfect for those who need a portable, ergonomic solution, this foldable desk adapts to your lifestyle. With its easy setup, you can work comfortably anywhere in your home, whether on a high countertop, the dining table, or a cozy corner bathed in sunlight. Once the workday is over, simply fold it away and reclaim your space. Engineered to improve your posture, the Casa pop-up desk includes a unique, book-like case that unfolds into an ergonomic laptop stand. Voon Sports Soccer introduces a cutting-edge smart rebounder designed to take your game to the next level. Built for both training efficiency and performance, this innovative device offers double rebound action, ensuring a quick and dynamic response to every strike. Its powerful integrated lights bring extra intensity to your sessions, making it perfect for day or night training. Its easy setup allows you to start training in minutes, so you can focus on improving your skills without any hassle. The DJI Mini 4 Pro stands out as an ideal choice for both beginner and experienced drone enthusiasts. With its lightweight build weighing just 0.549 pounds, it offers an impressive balance between portability and performance. This drone features a powerful 4K camera, enabling stunning high-definition aerial footage that meets the demands of creative professionals and hobbyists alike. The 34-minute flight time ensures ample opportunity to capture expansive views or complete intricate aerial tasks. Low-Free Edge sets a new standard for mechanical keyboards with its ultra-low profile, combining elegance and performance. Featuring a 75% layout, it offers a compact design perfect for those seeking efficiency without compromising on functionality. This keyboard's low-profile switches enhance typing speed and comfort, making it ideal for professionals or anyone who values smooth, responsive keystrokes. When outdoor heat becomes relentless, a high-performance solution like this instant cooling vest is essential. Engineered with 2 high-speed fans, it delivers immediate airflow across your core, pushing hot air out and drawing cool relief in within seconds. Built for versatility, the vest features 3 precise cooling levels, letting you control your comfort whether you're working in the yard, hiking trails, or enduring a summer commute. Equipped with a robust 10,000 mAh power bank, it runs for hours without interruption. The Jector Pro Zero Latency MMW 4K wireless transmitter pack stands at the forefront of cutting-edge wireless transmission technology. Designed with professional content creators in mind, it offers seamless connectivity with zero latency, ensuring real-time video transmission with pristine clarity. Supporting both 4K and 1080p resolutions, this device guarantees crystal-clear visuals for any filming or broadcasting setup. This portable pair excels in providing high-quality, lag-free transmission. Plantone 2.0 is a modern solution to effortless plant care, combining convenience with technology to keep your plants thriving. This innovative system requires minimal attention, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Simply plant your seeds, fill the water tank, and plug in the unit. Plantone will handle the rest, providing your plants with everything they need to grow healthily. What makes Plantone stand out is its use of regular soil, eliminating the need for expensive plant pods. Engineered for exceptional pool cleaning performance, the Aper Seagull Pro sets a new standard with its cutting-edge design and advanced technology. The Seagull Pro's 200-watt peak power output makes it the most powerful cordless robotic pool cleaner on the market, delivering impressive suction strength and thorough cleaning across various pool surfaces. Equipped with a high-capacity 7,800 mAh battery, the Seagull Pro provides an industry-leading 150-minute runtime. The XGIMI Elfin Mini Projector is a powerful and compact solution for anyone looking to elevate their home entertainment setup. This ultra-compact device supports 1080p resolution with 4K input, ensuring crisp and clear visuals whether you're watching movies, gaming, or giving presentations. The projector's 600 ISO lumens provide bright and vivid images even in well-lit rooms, while the HDR10 technology enhances color and contrast for a more immersive viewing experience. Every second on the road demands attention, and now there's a tool that sharpens your awareness without weighing you down. Weighing just 1.4 ounces, these ultralight CyberSight HUD glasses transform how you experience every drive, ride, or run. Designed with an integrated road safety system, they provide timely body alerts and real-time navigation guidance, all projected clearly into your line of sight. The heads-up display eliminates the need to glance down at phones or maps, helping you stay focused where it matters most. The Mace XP Mecha Voyager represents the cutting edge of modern watchmaking, blending futuristic design with exceptional craftsmanship. This timepiece stands out with its innovative features and distinctive aesthetics, offering a unique experience for those who appreciate precision and style. At the heart of the Mecha Voyager lies its linear motion hands, a distinctive feature that adds a dynamic element to the watch's display, setting it apart from conventional timepieces. The Dream X50 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop offers a seamless cleaning experience for modern homes. Equipped with 20,000 Pascal suction power, this device provides a thorough deep clean, efficiently picking up dust, dirt, and debris across multiple surfaces. Its advanced obstacle avoidance technology ensures smooth navigation around furniture and obstacles, preventing any bumps or interruptions to its cleaning path. The Superbase V offers a groundbreaking solution for home energy storage, designed to meet the demands of modern households with unmatched efficiency. With a robust capacity of up to 64 kilowatt-hours, this system can power essential devices for extended periods, whether for daily use or during an emergency. Its dual voltage output of 120 or 240 volts ensures compatibility with a wide range of household appliances, making it versatile for various applications. Packing for your trip doesn't have to be a hassle. Enter the Volek EasyY Organizer Set. Designed to eliminate the stress from your packing routine, you can compress your items up to 85%, making it possible to carry more with less. The Volek EasyY Set is built for durability, using 70D nylon fabric that withstands wear and tear. With an upgraded Turbo Boost airflow system that provides a massive 200 liters per minute, packing is completed in a flash, saving you valuable time. Forget the noisy gas generators or lugging melting bags of ice to your campsite. The Flextail Evo Icer is engineered for serious outdoor performance, bringing reliable ice-making power wherever your next adventure takes you. Equipped with a robust 200 watt-hour internal battery, this compact unit can churn out 12 ice cubes in just 5 minutes, thanks to its advanced Ice Burst X rapid refrigeration technique. Transform your space with the Outen S1 2-in-1 floor lamp, a powerful lighting solution designed to enhance both style and function. Standing at an impressive height of 70 inches, this versatile lamp offers two distinct lighting options. The 3000 lumens LED Torchiere lamp delivers bright, consistent illumination, perfect for illuminating large areas such as living rooms or bedrooms. Meanwhile, the RGB corner lamp adds a unique touch, creating vibrant lighting effects that are ideal for game rooms or spaces where you want to introduce an energetic atmosphere. When your lifestyle demands mobility without compromising entertainment quality, the LG Standby ME Go delivers a premium cinematic experience packed inside a durable, modern briefcase-style design. Built for life on the move, this 27-inch touchscreen is fully enclosed in a rugged shell that opens to reveal a versatile smart display. With a built-in battery that lasts up to 3 hours, it frees you from outlets and messy cables, offering true wireless viewing wherever your day takes you. In a world awash with Pixel 6 screens and dopamine loops, clarity feels like a luxury. But what if the tool you use to read, think, and create could do less harm while helping you do more? The Paper 7 doesn't chase your gaze with glitter. It offers calm. It restores a space where thought, expression, and comfort belong together. This is not another screen. It's a pause in the static. Meet Paper 7, an all-day color paper tablet engineered to prioritize your well-being and creative rhythm. The Granista Professional Grinder elevates your coffee experience with its innovative design, providing a superior grind every time. With a built-in scale, it ensures precise measurements, helping you achieve the perfect cup. The grinder features a 64mm flat burr system that consistently produces uniform grounds, crucial for maximizing flavor extraction. Offering 48 adjustable coarseness levels, it caters to all brewing methods, from espresso to French press. Engineered for innovation, the Highwander Puppy Pie Pro is a compact AI vision quadruped robot dog powered by the advanced Raspberry Pi 5. Designed to run on both ROS 2 and ROS 1 frameworks, it's built with 8 stainless steel coreless servos that provide outstanding precision, lightning-quick rotation speeds, and a powerful 8 kg/cm torque. The integrated IMU sensor enhances balance by tracking posture in real time, ensuring stable and reactive movement across varying terrains. In the palm of your hand, the Namvdik R150 transforms any flat surface or ceiling into a cinematic canvas. The built-in battery offers up to 4 hours of continuous film playback or 7 hours of uninterrupted music, making it ideal for long flights, impromptu backyard showings, or off-grid weekends. It delivers a true 100-inch display without needing a massive setup, offering immersive visuals even in small rooms or tight spaces. The TickTime Cube is an innovative time management tool designed to boost productivity through simplicity. With a flip of the cube, users can easily start a countdown, manage their time, or track progress without needing to adjust complex settings. Its intuitive design allows you to effortlessly control work intervals, making it a great companion for tasks such as Pomodoro sessions, egg timers, or general countdown functions. This digital timer features a minimalist interface with clear, user-friendly controls. No matter where you go, lighting and power now come in one ultra-slim companion. The MA5R magnetic fill light is built for creators, travelers, and everyday users who demand utility without compromise. Measuring only 0.5 inches thick, this pocket-sized marvel securely attaches to your phone and instantly transforms your mobile setup. With 220+ minutes of uninterrupted brightness, you're never left in the dark, literally or creatively. Campfires fade, trails grow dark, but Mosey Guard keeps the comfort alive. Designed for wilderness explorers and backyard loungers alike, this ultimate outdoor mosquito repeller brings modern defense into natural settings. At its core, MCH ceramic rapid heating technology delivers fast-acting, mosquito-repelling heat, giving you control in seconds. With a 10,000 mAh battery powering up to 20 hours of heating, Mosey Guard outlasts your longest nights under the stars. Maintenance meets modern performance with this compact 18-volt cordless pool vacuum engineered for reliable daily use. Built for pools, spas, and hot tubs, this vacuum delivers up to 13 gallons per minute of suction, capturing sand, leaves, and fine debris with ease. Its wide inlet clears larger debris from corners and tight spaces, while the clear floor head makes it easy to monitor what's collected, and it's removable for deeper access when needed. In every kitchen that takes flavor seriously, precision goes beyond ingredients. It's about maintaining temperature until the final bite. Eternos brings that principle to your table. Whether you're serving a 10-ounce seared ribeye or a chilled citrus salad, this hybrid creation, part bowl, part plate, part dish, was designed to respect the temperature boundaries your recipes demand. Crafted with inspiration from professional kitchens, Eternos does more than hold food. Boldly reimagining the golden age of hi-fi with the precision of modern audio engineering, the Luna audio system commands attention from any room it graces. Its 16-bit VFD display glows with retro elegance, casting a soft vintage light while delivering real-time audio data and signal clarity. But beneath the classic aesthetics lies cutting-edge performance. Tucked within its sleek frame is a powerful 4,900 mAh battery, offering up to 12 hours of continuous playback. The Sunco's Sunshine Fair infrared electric heater is designed to offer efficient and quiet heating for various indoor spaces. Unlike conventional space heaters, it utilizes far infrared technology to heat the room directly by warming objects and people rather than the air, providing a more natural and comfortable warmth. This feature ensures energy efficiency, reducing energy consumption while maintaining a consistent and gentle heat throughout the room. Equipped with a thermostat, the heater allows precise temperature control, making it ideal for large rooms, bedrooms, garages, and offices. The Meraki Ultimate Espresso Machine redefines the coffee experience, combining cutting-edge technology and craftsmanship to deliver perfect espresso with every cup. Engineered with a Time More co-engineered grinder, this machine ensures a consistent, precise grind that enhances the flavor extraction. The rotary pump allows for stable pressure, ensuring your coffee is brewed to perfection every time, whether you're making a single shot or a full cup. Introducing the world's first energy recovery and electronic brake leash, a revolutionary innovation that combines advanced technology with pet safety. This leash is equipped with KERS charging, harnessing kinetic energy from your pet's movements to recharge its battery, ensuring it stays powered up for longer outings. The electronic emergency braking system enhances safety by providing instant stopping power, protecting both the pet and owner from potential hazards. The ThermoNex Thermalization. Neck Chiller offers an advanced solution for staying cool and comfortable during intense activities. Designed to support your optimal performance, this 8-hour neck cooler uses cutting-edge dual temperature systems, ensuring you remain at your peak without the discomfort of cold